welcome back to Bella's channel, and today we are going to be another Scoopi review, but I pay $50 for it each month, or $40 if I like to say, and this time I got some clay with it, and I also got a few other extras, and yeah, I'm just going to do a video on it so you guys can see. So let's get started. So it came with some bubble wrap. And I got my free slimes as usual. This one is called Bun Bun. This one's called Pastel Cloud. And this one's called Easter Eggs. And this one came with some really cute little foam eggs and beads. And it also came with lots of other cute little extras and Easter eggs that I'm just really thankful for. So thank you so much, Scoopi. Now here is my 2 packets of clay. I got purple and blue. I also got some borax. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not quite sure what that is. Oh, I think it's some little clay thing. Oh, this is so cute. Sorry, just gonna get some scissors. This is so cute. It's a little clay charm. This is so cute, you guys. This is clay. Thank you so much, Scoopi. I don't think I remembered paying for this. At first I thought it was a squishy, but clay is even better. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to make a slime one day and add that to it. So thank you again so much. Now I also got some slime activator. I did remember paying for this. And it's slime activator from Scoopi. It's apparently new and I have not tried this out before. So in another video I might try that out. Came with their little business card and information sheet. And lots of other cute little extras and Easter eggs. So it came with all these Easter eggs. And also some little extras too. Some little glitters and foam stuff. So yeah, these little chicks and eggs. That's quite funny, the little eggs and chicks. And then some little, are those stars? I think so. And then it came with, I think these are bunnies, I think. I'm not quite sure what they are. They look like octopuses. And then it just came with some pearls and stuff too. And that was it for the Scoopi review. Now get on to the slimes. First one up. The first slime up is this slime. It's called Bun Bun. And in this slime, it comes with some little star ones. It smells amazing. Scoopi scents are always on point. And I love how it comes with always these tabs so the slime doesn't melt onto the tab if it does melt in shipping. I'm surprised this didn't melt. They may have to like reactivate it a bit before they do it. Ship it off. This feels so amazing. It's like a clear slime with like bubbles in it. It smells like heavenly, guys. Oh, sorry. Just let me put you back up there. My camera went flashed out. There we go. That's better. As I was saying, it's so on point. It smells like a bit like tangerine. So let me get it to the other side. Now this does feel a bit, a lot over activated. So I don't know about this. Usually Scoopi slimes don't have that much activated in it, but this one is really stiff and falling apart. So I think they may have activated it a bit too over the top than they were supposed to. But that always happens with my slimes too, so no offense. Okay, moving on to the next slime. Moving on to the next slime. Where did I put the lid to that? Oh, here it is. These lids always blend in. Okay, moving on to the next slime, as I said. Pastel Cloud. This one looks so cute and it has their signature little sprinkles on top. Look how cute it is. If you looked at my first ever Scoopi review video, they had the exact same sprinkles in a different one, and it was called BFF. Let's see how this one smells and feels. This one smells good too. These slimes are very, very stiff. I think they overactivated it a little bit too much. Well, it may just be the weather because it is very overactivated. I don't know if cloud slimes are supposed to be this stiff when you get it. I'm surprised this doesn't have a lot of residue. Usually slimes like this have a lot of residue when they're overactivated with cloud slimes. Yeah, since they overactivated it, I can't really pull it, and it's very rubbery. Yeah. I don't know what happened. Scoopi slimes are usually really nice, just this one seems very, wow. Overactivated. It just doesn't feel like a cloud slime. But yeah, thank you for the slimes anyway, Scoopi. I just think you don't need to put that much activator for shipping because, yeah, it's a lot of activator in this, and it leaves lots of residue on my hands too. Probably should have done this one at the hands because I really don't want to wash my hands in the middle of the video. Okay, let's put the lid back on this. Okay, now on to the Easter egg slime. This slime is so cute. I might just move you up a bit. I'm gonna get the camera. There. Yeah, doesn't really change, but that's okay. So this one's called Easter eggs. I can't wait to smell and add this cute little foam stuff into it. Let's smell it. I can tell it smells like they put perfume in this almost. I found that all the slimes really have a tangerine-y sort of scent. They very much smell like tangerines. Oh, this one is so nice. It's another one of their thick and glossy ones. I love their thick and glossy slimes. They're so nice. This is such a nice texture, you guys. So yeah, thank you for this slime Scoopy. It was amazing as usual. Now, this slime they didn't actually over-activate that much, so I like this one. I think overall this one would be my favourite because it smells like they put perfume in it, and I just really like the scent. The texture's on point. I love the little foam beads and extras on this one. And yeah, they just didn't over-activate this one as much as they did with the other ones for shipping. So yeah, this one is definitely my favourite, but I do like the other ones too. I just feel like they could do a little bit improvement on not over-activating their slimes, or if they used a different activator and that changed that, please let me know because I really don't know. Now I'm going to add the foam beads to it. These are so cute. Oh, I think this is sticky tape. I don't think I meant to cut that off. Look how cute these are. Okay, let's add them in. How cute that looks. It looks adorable. I'm going to save the rest for another video so I can add those extras in. Okay, I'm going to mix them in. This is so satisfying. Foam beads just made it an even better slime. I absolutely love the idea, texture, and smell of the slime. This one is so far my favorite. Okay, moving on, we spent a lot of time on this slime. Now, they were the 3 slimes I got. I'm not sure what I want to do now with the video. I might make a slime and put some clay in it and test out the clay. Actually, I think I might do that in another video, and I'm going to end this video now. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I will be using these ones. I will be making slime with this clay, and I will be mixing in this one. So stay tuned for that video. I will be making it very soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and bye guys.